Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. That's when I was a kid. What happened? You should be very proud. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a couple of weeks. I wanted to give you guys an update on pretty much what's been going on with the S. So I did it. I messed it up again. This time it wasn't the engine, it was the transmission. I blew the tranny. I was pushing the S one day and yep, it popped. So I already hit up Alan. He's an S2000 specialist. He basically runs like the S2000 Superstore of Southern California. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and send my baby on up to him and have him just completely look over everything, make sure that the transmission is installed right, make sure that everything else from the engine swap is done properly, and just make sure the S has just zero issues. So to pretty much describe in detail what happened, I ended up having issues with 5th and 6th gear. So 1st through 4th works just fine, but 5th and 6th is where I'm actually catching a fluid leak coming out of the tranny. So well, he's here. We meet again, us in the tow truck again. This ain't the first time, hopefully it'll be the last time. Lastly, this is where we have the transmission. So yes, it does fit in the back of the S2000, in case you guys were wondering.
2 days later.
Alright guys, well, we made it up to Alan's shop. We finally got the baby back. She's working good. And one day, this would be nice to have. Totally built out S2K. Just monsters.
Where the crack is on it. Picture of it and showed it to you.
Yeah, I saw that guy.
Probably is right here.
Oh yeah. Can you guys see that?
But up here where it's all dirty is where you see it better.
Oh yeah. Yep, she's done for, guys. So I did it. I popped the tranny. So hopefully we don't pop any other parts.
You see all that wear on that slide guide?
Yes, got that guy.
So this is where the throwout bearing slides onto. And so if this is not a smooth surface, then you're not going to get that smooth release. You know how you're talking about it's being like buttery smooth?
Yeah.
So all the mating surfaces on the throwout bearing and the slide guide have been in place, so it's brand new.
That worked.
This hardware, it looks like they used some type of Loctite or something to hold these in, but you don't need to use any of that. You just need to properly torque it in the correct sequence, the bolts to hold. But also you should use new hardware. It's one-time use.
Gotcha. Great advice.
Honda recommends. This is probably the original throwout bearing from the car, which they reused, but it, you know, you can feel it. It's not smooth. If you actually spin it, you can feel like a lot of sand inside here. That makes that noise.
Yeah. And uneven surface.
See this ridge right here, and then you see like how it's worn on the very outside. If you run your finger across, it's a lot lower on this end right here.
Oh yeah, definitely right there.
So when you have that rough, uneven surface on a brand new disc, it's gonna wear it unevenly. So this was your old disc, which they did replace at one point. But see how even wear that is on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, and then when I flip it over, you see how it's wearing on that edge again?
Yeah.
And that's because this is wearing unevenly. So yeah, it's a new disc. It used to have plenty of material on here, but if I just pop this thing back in, it's gonna wear unevenly. And so you might as well just replace everything at this point instead of, you know, replacing one item at a time.
Yeah.
And the labor to do every single time.
We finally get to take our baby home, so I'm very happy. It was a good day, very successful trip coming up here to come see Alan. Alan, thank you once again for everything. It was awesome, and it's time to hit the road, guys. Alright everybody, so we just made it back home from Alan's shop. I realized that I didn't give you guys the full update as far as what he did. Not only did Alan do the transmission replacement, he also installed a whole brand new clutch on the car as well. So everything from head to toe feels brand new on this car. New soft top, new engine, clutch, transmission. I mean, it feels like a brand new S2000. So that part I'm extremely happy about. But what I will say is I've learned so much with this S2000. I've got an opportunity to get my hands dirty with so many different parts that I never even thought I was gonna actually be able to touch on this car. So I think that it was such a great learning experience, but it may be time for another chapter. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. But on that note, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys very much for watching this week's video. I will catch up with you guys on the next one. Peace.